Good afternoon, everybody. Today I will be sharing with some insight from this book report that I'm doing on Think Again, The Power of Knowing What You Know by Adam Grant. This is my note card that I'm going to be using for my presentation. This book explores the value of rethinking our assumptions and being open to change. Grant argues that intelligence isn't just about knowing facts. It's about recognizing when you are wrong and being willing to reserve our ideas. He identifies 3 common mental modes: the preacher, who defends scared beliefs; the prosecutor, who attacks others to provide a point; and the politician, who seeks approval. Instead of these approaches, Grant encourages us to adopt the mindset of a scientist: curious, evidence-driven, and willing to question what we think and what we know. Through stories of scientists, entrepreneurs, and politicians, and everyday people, he shows how rethinking can improve decision-making, problem-solving, and our relationships. What makes this book especially relevant to interpersonal communication and concepts like active listening, perception checking, and collaborative conflict management, he allows us to emphasize listening and to understand rather than to just respond. He also encourages questioning and other assumptions by asking questions such as, what evidence will we rethink in my position? This proves empathy and understanding in communication. His approach is to conflict and aligns with collaboration. Engaging in open dialogue, testing ideas, and staying curious strengthens relationships instead of escalate disputes. Reading Think Again made me realize how often I fall into prosecutor rules, trying to prove I'm right rather than understanding others. Since reading the book, I've been asking more questions and truly listening, which made me interactions more empathetic and productive. Overall, I highly recommend this book. It not only preaches, but it teaches and rethinks that is also not a weakness, but a path to personal growth, better communication, and stronger relationships.